Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to use Berlin slider. Let's drag and drop the Berlin slider widget in the text area. After inserting the widget, a post slider will appear in the content area having a compact post interface with a thumb post gallery underneath. The slider also lets you add a video using a play button above the title. Users can click on the thumb posts to navigate the posts. Let's get to the layout menu under the content tab. Here you can change the image size of the featured image as well as the thumb images. There are some switchers below. You can show or hide items on the screen using the switchers. Next, go to the query menu. Here you can set the item limit, select the source for the slider and use the include/exclude fields to gain more control over the slider layout. After that, go to the slider settings. You'll see some switchers and a scroller to customize the animations of the slider. Now let's go to the Style tab. Here in the image section, you can customize the image by changing the background type, border and border radius. Then go to the play button section and change the icon color. Then let's change the button size and icon size using the scrollers. There are also background, border and border radius options here. After that, go to the title section. Here you can change the typography and color of the title. Let's change the text color in hover. Then comes the category section. Here, for the normal mode, change the background color into something deep and colorful. Then change the category text color to white. There are other options you can change as you need. Next, go to the thumbnail section. Here, for the normal mode, let's change the border radius to curve the edges of the thumb gallery items. Then some light shade for the background. Go to the active mode and make the background color transparent. For the play icons, let's change the background color and icon color. Then remove the border by giving a 0 value to it. For the thumb title, let's make the titles into the same deep shade as before and white color for the active post. Let's change the typography a bit here. Lastly, add color to the top bar on the thumb gallery. And your Berlin slider is ready to kick off. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Until next time.